不是想研究狼吗？狼聪明有组织能力，他们团结一致，并且听从狼王的指挥。最重要的是，狼很能忍耐。人生在于选择时机，狼和蒙古人都明白这个道理。
We shot about 1,000 different shots on wolves. And we had to think and discuss about each single one.
The first thing we teach him is to stand on a mark, and the wolf knows to stand on top of that. And it's very much like a human actor. Once you put the mark down, the camera knows exactly where the wolf will stand, so then he can adjust his focus and know to be ready for the wolf action.
It is dangerous to shoot with wolves. You always have to remember that if they feel that you have a weakness, there will be 8 or 10 on you.
They're still a wolf, but each one has their own different personality. So the only way to give the wolf that trust and that confidence in you is to have the relationship, and that relationship only comes with spending time with them.
The wolves in Mongolia, they are really bandits, you know. They're fierce, they're wild. When we make a movie about Mongolia, we had to respect the authenticity.